that I work with children. So I'll just give you a little bit of my background. I'm David Frederick, and I have a doctorate in metaphysical sciences and a PhD in transpersonal psychology. I'm the Dean of the College of Health and Humanities at Westbrook University, and I just created a brand new program on natural health sciences, which is the first in the country for a holistic health practitioner. And it's just been approved by some of the top, believe it or not, medical and pain management organizations in the country. So this is a first. We're very excited about it. And I'm also a course consultant for Regis University out of Denver, Colorado. And that is a very large Jesuit college in Denver. And I'm the director of the World Institute of Cognitive Sciences, which is my institute. And I travel around the United States and Europe and Asia and teach professional courses in clinical and medical hypnotherapy, as well as herbology, iridology, meridian therapy, which is needleless acupuncture, and also advanced counseling skills, and a few other courses that we throw in there, NLP and things like that. So we're very busy doing these type of courses. We like small classes because I think you learn a lot when you work with smaller groups than large groups. I also am involved with several other organizations, and it keeps me pretty busy. And I also have a private practice, which is called the Mind Body Health Center, and it's out of Lancaster, Pennsylvania, down in the middle of Amish country. So it's a very unique place, and I have people that come to me. I don't know how they find me, but they come to me from all over the country and Canada. I specialize in working with pain management, catastrophic illnesses, as well as I work with children. And I also deal with the traditional issues of clinical hypnosis, anxiety, depression, sexual abuse, and a variety of things, multiple personalities. So it keeps me busy, but it is a limited practice. And you'll find, how many people here practice full-time? Okay, so we have like 4, 5, 6, okay, good, 7. How many people are part-time? Okay, how many people just do it or just do it because you're interested in it? Anybody? 1? Okay, good. All right. In my practice, and you'll see in your practice, as you start to work, and the amazing thing about it is networking. And you'll find that people will tell other people who tell other people. And I had an individual that came to me from Alberta, Edmonton, Alberta, Canada, that found me. Now, I'm in Lancaster, Pennsylvania. And this is way up in Canada. If you know anything about Canada, way up in Canada. And he had prostate cancer, and they told him to pack his bags for heaven. He had 2 months. He didn't accept that. So I don't know how they find you, but he had a brother in Vancouver who knew a psychologist who heard about me from Calgary at a convention, who happened to be down here last year and heard me talk on cellular regeneration, and it went boom, boom, boom right across Canada. And she called me, and they came down. And he was down for a week intensive that I worked with him. I have people from Connecticut, from Mexico. I have people from the Midwest, California, Washington, and they just find you. So if you go into your business and your practice with an open heart, and you're really serious about what you're doing and helping people, I'll tell you, people will seek you out all over. They do. Recently, it's really kind of interesting. Recently, as a week ago, I just got a rash of phone calls for children. Everything runs in spurts. Those of you who have been practicing know. All of a sudden you get a whole bunch of people that quit smoking. It's like all of a sudden they all call up, and all of a sudden it's all weight, and all of a sudden it's something else. And last week my cycle happened to be children.